Okay, I hope you can see this from this angle. I'm going to make my little bird's nest napkin. So it's really even more effective if you have a napkin with little frayed edges. So I'm going to make a triangle, and then I'm going to start rolling it. It doesn't have to be super tight. And I roll it, and then I leave enough for the little edges, about like this. Then I'm going to turn it over. Then I want to roll it loosely so there's a little place for the bird's nest. So I start to roll it like this. I roll it. When I get to the end, I tuck the edge into it. And then I take these two and I just kind of spread them out like that. Turn it over. And I have the cutest little bird's nest napkin.